So viewer subscriber, in this one we're gonna talk about Kraff. Plus we have a man we fling a mic in the female head. Plus we have a person where come like say they want to commit suicide. So channel, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe to 4K Shella Energy and we could kick it off the right way.
Well, you know it's Giant G-Man representing for 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Click the bell to be notified. Right this.
So viewer subscriber, yo watch on man. We have a real discussion right now. And when we say discussion really means say we're gonna talk. I'm wanna listen to me, you see me? So I see that video there circulate where an artist fling the mic in a female head and me I tell you, yo I fuck with that. Me I tell you straight up. That the move there is a fucked up move by youth, you see me? Because me hear him say, when he take the mic, me hear him say, he can't take the style thing. I might fuss way forward on the stage. But brother, a female them, it's like you don't have a mother. You go take the mic and fling in the female head and damage the female like that. Yo, it no matter if you reach there first, bro, a female them. You can't disrespect the female them like that. You see me? And I totally understand your frustration where you say you reach here first and other people are perform over you. But that's a female. You can't do that, big man. It's like, yo, you don't have a mother, bro. You go damage the female like that. Yeah, she give you a push, but I know one push where I got cause you know arm or nothing where I go damage you in any bad way. I'm not lie, man, and straight your fuck. But anyways, put fun and joke aside. Me see some people a comment and a laugh and I say yo head bust like coconut and all of them something. I'm not gonna show that. Because yo are some stupid people. You see me people with no sense, bro. Yo, you have to know how you deal with woman or female them, bro. And the female them seem like say them not really have a lot of experience on the stage, but everybody a try a thing. Them wanna they Diiverse up on the stage if them no try, if them no want to be an artist. Them would have somewhere else. And as I say, I understand the frustration, bro. But there's other ways where you could have dealt with the situation as a professional in front of a live crowd. You see me? I don't rate them style, bro. I swear. And before I move on to our next topic, I'm just say this. As I say before, I understand his frustration because as a show, it's supposed to be organized. You're not supposed to reach there and at a certain time and somebody else perform over you. That's not right. But as I said before, I say it again. That's a fucked up move that he did. You see me? I swear. So viewer subscriber, dancehall entertainer Kraff has gone through surgery, and we'll get back some good news from it. Where here say he's good, he's just in this recovery stage, and you have to say we're happy if you know that. You see me, because at the end of the day we don't want to hear say nothing happen to the DJ. And I'm going to show you where Kraff post on his Instagram page about it, so you can have a better understanding of what's going on, you see me? And if you realize Kraff hasn't been really releasing any songs for like 1 month now, yeah, it's because of this. So this said, to Kraff's fans, friends and colleagues, on behalf of Kraff, we like to share that Kraff is currently in recovery. He has undergone a minor surgery and is slowly getting better. Feel free to send well wishes, kind words and energy to your favorite singer with the hashtag #WeAreBudu. So all of the fans they must support Kraff. They don't have it. Kraff soon come back. Kraff soon start drop back music, you see me? So yeah man, just give the DJ some time to recover and everything is well from him, you see me? So yeah man, remember if you reach this far another review, just subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, you see me?
What's that a key said?
Yo, I swear, I don't know what go on for them people. It's like them borrow them license or something. You see me? I would personally want to know where this person was thinking. Me don't know if I was a man or a woman, you see me? But would I love to know what them that think. You see me? But all me can say is you after watching yourself when you go up on the road, whether or not I walk or take taxi or I drive, when I'm just watching yourself, even though Uno can be the one who is trying to be safe on the road, not drive slow, not drive at the right speed, and Uno just obey the law. And somebody just running off Uno vehicle and killing off. You see me? Me hear somebody made that thought there already. So I have to just try to be careful because people like them is out there. I swear, I don't know what was this person's end goal, their end game. I don't know. So watching the man, and just be safe out there, you see me? And watching yourself in the streets. View and subscribe. 4K Shella Energy, I don't know about this go. I'm out.